Oh, it's the camera I ordered. Isn't that nice? Well, check it out. That's the camera I ordered. The model DQ201. I don't know how you say that. Hooise? Looks good to me. So let's take this off and see how it's packed. Okay. All right, let's see what we got in. Is it taped? No? There we go. All right, first one we got here is a sticker for some reason. We'll find out what that's for. The instruction booklet in many different languages. Okay. Nice foam padding. It's a USB to a USB-C cable. Got another one here. Oh, what's this? Oh, the solar panel. This is the solar panel for this thing. Okay, it's got looks like a pretty long reach right there. Okay, here's the camera itself. This is the, okay, these are the antennas. You're going to mount like this. I don't want to turn anything, I don't think I should. There's the actual camera lens. It's plastic. Does not feel cheap at all. This feels pretty sturdy. Okay. Of course, the mounting hardware right here, the screws and so forth, and some more mounting hardware, and that's it inside the box. So what we've got here is the camera itself, mounting hardware, and you can see that's going to be adjustable. That's going to neat. This right here, this solar panel, pretty good. It's going to power this thing, so this does not need to be plugged into the house current at all. It's all purely based on the solar. It's going to charge the batteries during the day, of course. This is going to be great. Mounting screws and the cable to connect the camera. Yeah, I must say this does feel pretty good. Look at that. I figured out how this works by looking in the instructions, but I do believe that's going to poke into the wherever I'm going to mount it to, or it goes directly like this, you know, to mount it directly onto the wall. I'll figure out what that one's for. All right, after looking at the instruction booklet for a moment there, I figured out this is for mounting the solar panel. So this, of course, goes, and this thing is adjustable. So you can, you know, move, you know, put this, just screws to the back of this thing here. Ugh, got it too loose. There you go. Screws to the back of that. And then of course it mounts up on the wall or the tree or whatever you're going to put it on, you know, mounts up like that. And then you can adjust it, you know, up and down and sideways and so forth by turning this, which makes this get loose. So you can do what you need to do there. Okay, and then, and I found out on the bottom right here, this is where the solar panel is going to plug into. You know, just open that up. There we go. And then that's where the solar panel plugs into that right there. And then of course, you know, this is mounted to the tree or wherever you're going to put it. And there you go. That is going to be fine. This is going to work. I can't wait to test this thing out here. Just got to charge it up and then I'll mount it and we'll check it out. See how good the quality is, how it zooms in and out and all that kind of good stuff. Oh, by the way, this sticker right here, that's for mounting. Those are the holes that line up to the back of this right here, so that you know, place this sticker on the wall or the area that you're gonna mount the camera to. And of course, those holes line up with those two holes right there. There you go. That works out. And we're done. Thank you. All right, as you can see, this is the camera, and I have it mounted to a pole. And what I have it mounted to actually is a piece of pallet wood that I cut to fit there. And the camera itself is just screwed to the piece of wood. You can see the two bolts right there. They're actually a U-bolt that goes around the post right there, and then through the block of wood, the piece of wood. And then the solar panel, as you can see right here, the back side of it is that mount right here. As you can see, there's a screw there, and there's a screw up on top, so the 3 screws. And then I have it adjusted to face the sun, the midday to late afternoon, evening sun into the evening. Make sure I get some good sunlight on there. Keep them batteries powered up. That's all there is to that. Simple and easy.